Hello, friends. Welcome to Rwanda. If you are visiting or living here, learning some Kinyarwanda will make your experience much better. Today, I'm gonna teach you 10 words that will help you every day. First, let's start with the basics. Yego, oya. Yego means yes, oya means no. Simple, right? Let's move on. Muraho, hello. In Rwanda, greetings are very important. If you meet someone, say muraho, which means hello. Nyihanganira gato, excuse me. If you want to tell someone, excuse me, you say nyihanganira gato. Amazi, water. If you are thirsty, just say ndashaka amazi. I want water. Ndashaka amazi. Nangahe. Nangahe. How much is it? When you are shopping, you need this. Just point on something and say nangahe to know the price. Ndashaka, I want. When ordering something or you want to buy something, say ndashaka followed by what you want. Let's say, for example, ndashaka amafaranga. I want money. Genda buhoro. Genda buhoro. Go slowly. If motorcycle is moving too fast, you can say genda buhoro, which means go slowly. Murabeho, goodbye. When leaving, say Murabeho. People will appreciate it. And let me say to you, Murabeho, see you next time.